Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you can't see the WhatsApp notifications on your SONY Xperia Mark V. So at the start, always check that you have deactivated that in the tester mode. If you have this, maybe turn it on. Remember to switch it off. Okay, that was obvious, I know, but let's go. Now we have to open the network internet, choose the internet, and tap on the network preferences. Then remember to turn on the Wi-Fi automatically and turn off the public networks. You have to check it. After that, just go back to the network and internet, choose this data saver, and remember to turn off this feature. But you have this feature activated, tap on the unrestricted data and switch on the WhatsApp apps. After that, we can go to the app info, so hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and choose app info. Now go to the notifications and remember to switch it on and all of these switchers. You can also go to the additional settings in the app and check that you have activated the high priority notifications in this place and here. Okay, now we can go to the mobile data and Wi-Fi and check that you have activated the background data and restricted data usage. In the next step, try to reset your network settings. So go to reset options and choose reset network settings. Tap on this button and tap on this button again. And in the last step, check your system update. So go back, choose the software update, switch to the system, click on 3-dot icon and tap on the refresh. If you have any update, just download that and install. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.